Hello people, welcome back to my channel. It's Chef Kuku here. Today I'm showing you guys a simple Nigerian task, how to prepare okra for Nigerian okra soup. 3 ways to do that. Method 1 is you're going to use a knife. You can do different cuts. The first cut is what I like to call my medium cut. I cut it into 4 and then I chop away. Okra is a slimy food. In Nigeria we call slimy soups draw soup. So they draw basically. I don't know where we got that word from, but if you're Nigerian, you understand what I'm talking about. The second cut is a large cut. I just cut it into 2, as you can see, 2 halves. And I use this cut when I'm making ogbono soup, which is another slimy or draw soup in Nigeria. And the final cut, I still cut it into 4, but then I do a thinner slice, as you can see. This gives me a slimier consistency for my okra soup. And I break it down a bit further, as you can see. It's nice and it's getting slimy there. So method 1, use your knife. Method 2, I use my ever reliable grater, which I got from Nigeria. That's the side I use. Using a grater, you'll do it faster. The only thing is that if you're not careful, you can hurt your fingers when you're almost done grating the okra. And I don't really like the shape, the way my okra comes out. Sometimes, you're not really in control of the movement like you would be with a knife. But anyway, it's still fine. The soup still tastes good, and that's what matters. And yeah, my husband agrees to help me with a grater. He wouldn't do with a knife. Yes, so. And finally, number 3 is I use a blender. Now, I don't do this method. I'm only showing you because I know people that do this method and they swear by it. I find that your soup would be too slimy with this method, but you know what, it works for some people. Chop your okra up and then put some water and pulse with your blender for a few seconds, and this is your first consistency. You can use it just like that, but some people even want to go slimier, and then they're going to pulse again. So watch as I do that. It's going to come out like a green glob. I don't like it, but if you don't have time, there you go, see, look at it. But you know what? It works for some people. They like it like this. And if you don't have time, you can do this method. So yes, 3 ways to prepare okra for okra soup. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done so, and welcome. And share it with your friends and family. And I'm looking forward to sharing more educational and interesting videos with you. So take care. It's bye from me for now. Later.